Lesson number 95 in the series of 100. Let's work with All of Me, the song, a little more. Let's take it to the next step. Now, on the Fiddle Jam Institute website, I go into great depths in this. If you want to be an all-access pass member, I put you through all kinds of paces. Let's skip ahead. Let's do the same stuff, but add the 7th of each chord. So you'll notice in the chord chart, if you printed that out, there's different types of 7ths. A major 7th in this one, a dominant 7th, the minor 7th here, which is the same as the dominant 7th. There's a flatted 7th, flatted 7th, flatted 7th. You need to know your chord symbols, flatted 7th, but some of them are major 7ths. So what if we did a bass line of 1, 3, 5, 7 and altered the 3rd or the 7th to match each chord as needed? That'd give you practice too. I highly recommend it. Let's do it. So C major 7 is 1, 3, 5, 7. You know the number system. Any dominant style chord with this 7 on it is 1, 3, 5 flatted 7. And any minor 7th chord is 1 flat 3, 5 flat 7. There's only 3 different kinds of chords in this whole song. So as far as that stuff, you don't need to know a lot. You just need to know them in each key needed. So let's walk through it. I'll do it. 1, C, here we go. 1, 3, 5, 7. Here's the B. E7, G sharp, D, A, C sharp, G, D minor, F, C, E7 we did, A minor 7 is next, C, G, the flat 3, flat 7, D7, F sharp, C, G7, F, back to C major, with a B, E7 with a G sharp, and a D, A with a C sharp and a G, D minor with an F and a C. Here comes the hard part, F major with an E, F minor with an A flat, E flat, E minor, A, C sharp, D minor with a C, G, C major. So that's a great exercise. If you can do that, you now know the complete skeleton of every scale that you'll need. And then it's just a matter of filling in the 2, 4, and 6 within that skeleton to create a scale for each chord. So run with that, write them out, create a custom scale as needed. I would suggest there's a couple different ways. You can just steal the in-between notes from the overall key of C. You can steal them from the major or the chord, the scale, or the key of that chord, which might tweak things a half step one way or the other. It might be a customized scale you do. It's kind of cool to use the overall key to fill in the notes. It creates some weird scales that kind of have some flavor to them. I do that a lot of times. But this is one of those songs where you just got to know the changes and hear the changes and change scales for every chord to sound good for the most part. Maybe you can get away with it on the last 4 bars. You just kind of do C bluesy stuff. Yes, there are diatonic chunks, as we talked about in other lessons. You can find them in the song towards the end of each phrase. You can simplify there. If you get lost, always abort. You know, it's the C major bluesy stuff. But there's a great exercise. I have all my students do it.